Newton invented calculus when posed by a question to prove that Earth is round. That small but significant period in science's history marked the birth of ingenuity itself. So what really is calculus? Calculus consists of three parts: limits, derivatives, and integrals. These three parts build upon each other and collectively constitute calculus. Number one, limits. Limits are used to define the point infinitesimally close to a certain point.
We use the following notations.
Limit of a function as x approaches a negative is the value of that function at a point infinitesimally close to the left of a. And limit, this is called the left-hand limit. And limit of a function at x approaches a positive denotes the value of that function at a point infinitesimally close to the right of a. This is called the right-hand limit. Now, if left-hand limit is equal to the right-hand limit, we say the limit exists. And if the left-hand limit is not equal to the right-hand limit, we say the limit does not exist at that point. Number two, derivatives. Okay, let's say there are 2 points on a function. We know y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 denotes the slope of the line joining those 2 points. Now the limit of y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 as x2 approaches x1 denotes the derivative of that function at x1. In other words, derivative of a function at a point denotes the slope of the tangent to that function at that point. Let's consider the graph of sine x. At different points, the slope of the tangents can be measured and graphed. At x equals 0, the slope is 1. At x equals pi by 2, the slope is 0. When plotted, the derivative of sine x gives the graph of cos x. Number 3, integrals.
Think of it as the reverse of derivatives. To find integral of fx, you have to think of a function whose derivative is fx.
Okay, so let us consider a constant function fx equals 1. In this case, the function having slope equals 1 is the line fx equals x, but any line parallel to fx equals x has also slope equals 1. So this is where the integral constant c comes in,
which in this case represents the y-intercept of lines. So integral of fx equals 1 is x plus c. So that's it. You learned a very useful thing today. Calculus is used extensively in software programming and in architecture.
like this bridge we're standing on right now.
It's a flawless example of the fact that when it comes to the capabilities of human mind, the limit does not exist. Thank you for watching.